You want me to carry you? Okay.
5 is 6.
Right, one for good luck.
6. No, there's 4
Okay, Yaba, help me cut it, please. Help me cut the first piece.
I want more.
You want the smiley face? You're not going to get the whole
I
smiley.
want the smiley face.
Everybody wants the smiley.
Alright.
Alright, Yaba, you're going to get this one, okay?
Chocolate cake.
Yep.
I want chocolate cake. I got the other.
Is that your
I
cup?
want chocolate cake.
There you go.
Daddy's great. He gave us chocolate cake.
There we go.
Ooh, I got
Take it to the
There you
house.
go.
Someone needs to
Can't beat the quarterback? Come on.
I got a plate already. Too late.
There you go. This one is the same.
What happened? Is that more Eli?
No, we had an interception about for a touchdown. Guy got it knocked out of his hands at the 2-yard line.
What is?
Touchdown for the Raiders.
Oh,
If it goes into the end zone with no possession, we're gonna see. They're gonna think tackles on. If they say you got tackled at 2, but it's